Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi everyone. Today we're practicing at the gym sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
I walk to the gym.
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 I see the big gym building.
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 I pay the membership fee.
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 I get a gym card.
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 I go to the changing room.
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 I wear my gym clothes.
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 I put my bag in the locker.
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 I walk to the exercise area.
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 I see many machines.
I see many machines.
I see many machines.
I see many machines.
I start on the treadmill.
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 I walk on the treadmill slowly.
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 I increase the speed.
I increase the speed.
I increase the speed.
I increase the speed.
I start jogging fast.
I start jogging fast.
I start jogging fast.
I start jogging fast.
I feel my heart beating.
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 I lift some dumbbells.
I lift some dumbbells.
I lift some dumbbells.
I lift some dumbbells.
I do arm exercises.
I do arm exercises.
I do arm exercises.
I do arm exercises.
I do leg exercises.
I do leg exercises.
I do leg exercises.
I do leg exercises.
I try the weight machine.
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 I stretch my arms and legs.
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 I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I use the exercise cycle.
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 I pedal the cycle fast.
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 I feel tired and sweaty.
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 I stop exercising.
I stop exercising.
I stop exercising.
I stop exercising.
I dry my face with a towel.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the gym sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.